This is Axe and Smash of Demolition. And pay attention, people, because this Saturday night in Kingston, Ontario, we're going to take on the Freak Nation.
Freak Nation!
Boys, we heard you stole our favorite finish, the decapitation. Well, I'll tell you what, it's going to be turned on you tomorrow night.
Freak Nation, we're here in Canada for one reason! That's to tear your stinking heads off! So when Axe and Smash get to Kingston tomorrow night, Saturday, we're gonna do you in. You ain't gonna give us the finish. We're gonna